got myself a few things from the Bblunt sale. Let's open it. Here's everything I got. First is the finish spray. This is perfect for setting the hair at the end. It helps control frizz and flyaways. Next, the extra shine hair serum. It helps with smoothness and adds a glossy finish. Then the whole spray to keep the hairstyle in place for longer without making the hair hard and grungy. I also got this 7-in-1 repair and revive shampoo as a freebie. This one is the heat protection hair bead, a must before using any heat tool to protect from heat. And this advanced smoothing shampoo was another freebie. That's everything I got from my Bblunt haul.